Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 1 of week 5 and we will continue with office automation. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about inserting function in Excel. We have discussed that to insert function in Excel, first of all, you have to click on the insert tab and then click on the insert function button that is represented by FX. After that, a dialog box will appear, and from that dialog box you will select your required function and give the range of the cells on which you want to apply that function and click OK button. Today we will discuss about paste special command in MS Excel. Paste special command is like a paste command. It pastes the data from one cell, copied from one cell into the other cell, and but it has many other options like all. When you select the all option, it will copy all the contents of the cell, including formula, text, numbers, formatting, each and everything, and paste into the other cell. If you selected the formula option, it will copy the text, numbers, formulas without any formatting. We will discuss it later. Values. If you have selected that option, it will copy just numbers and text without formulas. Formats. If you have selected formats, it will copy just formats without formula, number and text. All except borders, it will copy all the things in one cell and paste into the other cell, except the borders around the cell. If there is any border around the cell, that will not be copied and pasted. All option, it is same as normal paste, and it pastes everything. Let's say you have selected a cell B5. As in this example, you can see that the sum is calculated in cell B5 and the formula is B2 to B4. जो भी numbers उनका sum calculate हुआ है, and then it is copied and we will paste that in the cell F5. And first of all, first step क्या होगा, we will copy that cell B5 by right clicking on it and click the copy command. After that, you will select the cell where you want to paste that value, that is, let's say F5. After that, you will click on the home tab, click on the paste command and then select the paste special command, and that dialog box will appear as shown in the image. You will select the all option and click OK. Here in the image you can see that 8 is by selecting the all option, you can see that the formula is also pasted and it has calculated the sum of these cells 4 plus 2 plus 2 8. And format, like it is highlighted yellow, this cell is also highlighted yellow. ठीक है, इसने सब कुछ जो है वो कॉपी कर दिया है by selecting the all option. I hope you all understood the concept. Assignment. You have to practice this paste special command at home. Today we have discussed about paste special command and we have discussed about all option, and we have seen by example that it has pasted all the things from all the contents from one cell to other cell, like including formulas and formats. This is the end of our lecture. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you.